Most people eat these foods every day without realizing they are slowly damaging their health. If you care about your body, you need to stop eating these foods starting today. In this video, I will show you 5 common foods that doctors avoid and why you should be careful with them. The first food is sugary drinks. This includes soda, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices. These drinks are loaded with sugar and can spike your blood sugar levels very quickly, leading to weight gain, fatigue, and even an increased risk of diabetes over time. Many people think juice is healthy, but in reality, it often contains as much sugar as soda. The second food is processed meat. Foods like sausages, hot dogs, and packaged deli meats may taste good, but they often contain preservatives and chemicals that can harm your body if consumed regularly. Studies have linked processed meat to an increased risk of serious health problems, so it is better to limit or avoid them. The third food is highly processed snacks. Chips, packaged cookies, and other junk foods are designed to be addictive. They are usually high in unhealthy fats, salt, and artificial ingredients that offer little nutritional value. Eating these foods regularly can lead to weight gain and poor overall health. The fourth food is refined sugar desserts. Cakes, candies, and sweet pastries may feel satisfying in the moment, but they can cause rapid spikes and crashes in your energy levels. Over time, too much refined sugar can affect your metabolism and increase the risk of chronic diseases. The fifth food is deep-fried foods. Fried chicken, fries, and other deep-fried meals are often cooked in unhealthy oils at high temperatures, which can create harmful compounds. These foods are high in calories and unhealthy fats, making them one of the worst choices for your long-term health. Avoiding these foods does not mean you can never enjoy them, but reducing how often you eat them can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods like vegetables, fruits, lean protein, and healthy fats. Small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health over time. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more simple and practical health tips that can improve your daily life. Thanks for watching.